Hey guys, welcome to Techtips. Subscribe and click on bell icon.
Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about how to earn money from affiliate marketing and from OfferVault. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, then watch this video.
This is an affiliate. We'll call him Mike. This is a company, and this is a consumer. Mike needs to make more money. The company needs to sell more products to consumers. And to get help selling more products, the company brings on Mike as an affiliate. The company will pay Mike a commission for every sale he makes. Basically, Mike is the middleman between the company and consumers. Mike works independently as an affiliate, so he has no boss. He's basically his own boss. Or maybe he is a boss because he has no boss. So what is Mike's job as an affiliate? It's simple. Find consumers, and here's the key, who are interested in the company's product. Then Mike will tell them about the product. He then asks if they've purchased the product. No, he'll tell them the benefits of having this product. He then asks if they've purchased the product. No, he'll tell them the consequences of not using the product. He then asks if they've purchased the product. No, he'll show them results of other people who've benefited from the product. He then asks if they've purchased the product. Yes, the consumer made a purchase they're happy with, the company has a new customer, Mike made affiliate commissions, and Mike still has no boss. Want to be like Mike and start your own affiliate business?
This is OfferVault, the #1 tool for researching CPA and affiliate programs used by top gurus and beginners worldwide. It's simple, powerful, and free to use. You can browse almost 40,000 offers, sorting them by payout amount, type, category, network, or last update. Go directly to mobile offers, pay-per-call offers, or email zip submit offers. You can check out the newest and featured offers. Live search lists keywords others are searching right now in real time. A great way to find new ideas. Trending searches, the 10 most popular search terms from the past 10 days. You can get in front of trends as they develop. Search OfferVault simply by entering a keyword or phrase to find offers for your niche. You can limit your search to a specific network. Roll your mouse over the icon and get a quick view of the landing page. Click the offer name to access details about the offer and the network. Using advanced search, you can customize your research for more detailed analysis, focusing on the title, a description, networks, categories, allowed traffic, countries where an offer is available, the payout type, and the payout range. So far, you don't have to be a member, but if you join OfferVault, advanced preferences become available to give you access to more information and tools to keep you informed. And membership is free. Now you can access keywords for specific offers and download lists as CSV or text files. Some offers will include demographic info to help you fine-tune your campaigns for maximum efficiency. You can program all your searches to access one or multiple networks, offer categories, allowed traffic types, and countries where the offers are available. Favorite searches allows members to save a specific search and run it anytime. Great for staying on top of activity in your niches. You can run a simple word or phrase search or create a customized advanced search that you can run anytime from the drop-down that now appears on the main page. You can tell OfferVault to send you email alerts when new offers related to your favorite searches become available. Many offers are limited to specific countries, and their landing pages may not be available in your country. Using the Set Country option, OfferVault's proxy displays landing pages from different locations. You don't have to be in a specific country to see targeted or restricted offers. You can turn email alerts on or off, set the frequency of alerts, or create a new search and add it to email alerts and favorite searches. Free training is available to members through OfferVault's collection of over 100 webinars. You can search the webinars for specific subjects or terms, select webinars by your favorite experts, or browse webinars using a date range. That's OfferVault. Top CPA marketing experts use it as part of their campaign strategy to find the best offers. If you aren't a member yet, simply go to register now and join. It's simple, it's free, and it works.